So what I'm doing right here is I've got to shore up this screw. There we go. Just spend a couple of seconds. I'm gonna go down. There are a couple of screws on these gutter brackets that are not perfectly in place, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to shore this gutter up so when we install the Pro Guard, we won't have any issues with loose brackets underneath it. Okay, so we've got about 3 4-foot sections installed. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlap this flat edge with this tongue that is sticking out, and so that's how it kind of gets butted together. I'm just getting it as close as I can. And then it snaps in just like that. And then you can't see that seam, but it is perfectly flush together, just like that. So it only takes a few seconds to get a piece in, and stay right where you're at, Leo, and I will put another piece in. Okay, I'm just gonna go right over that tongue piece. And I put the front lip in first, or put it in under the lip. Gotta slide it in, and there it is. Perfect. Boy, this is gonna look awesome, Leo, when it's all done. Okay, Leo and I have the first couple of pieces installed, and as you can see, Leo has the tongue and the overlap completely covered, and so there are no gaps in the Pro Guard, so there isn't going to be anything that is able to get into the gutter line itself. But oh boy, we've got a long way to go. All right, here we go. So as you can see, in just a few minutes, we've got, oh gosh, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got about 40 foot of this installed in just a few minutes. Once you get it, the tongue and the flat part overlapping, and you get it underneath the shingle line, it's doing exactly what it needs to be doing. And then we're going to reshape that just a little bit. We're good to go.